The following message is transmitted at the request of the Brunswick County Emergency Management. A nuclear power plant warning has been issued for residents within a 15-mile radius of the Brunswick nuclear plant near Southport, North Carolina. A blizzard has caused damage to the plant's electrical system, including the emergency systems. As a result, reactor number 2 has exploded, causing a radiological hazard throughout southeastern Brunswick County. Because of the possible risk of another explosion, residents within a 15-mile radius of the Brunswick nuclear plant are advised to evacuate immediately. This includes the following zones: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. If you live in any of the mentioned zones, you are advised to evacuate immediately. Make sure you have an adequate supply of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, toiletries, pet supplies and a battery-powered radio. While evacuating, tie a white or bright-colored towel to a visible location such as a mailbox. This will notify emergency management that you are aware of the situation. Tune to a station providing news and information for your area. Repeating, a nuclear power plant warning has been issued for residents within a 15-mile radius of the Brunswick nuclear plant. Those who haven't evacuated should do so immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this situation as it develops.